In this video, you will learn how to add hyperlink to text blocks and text within any page on your website. Go ahead and select a website to work on by hovering over the globe icon. For this example, we're going to click on the home page. And let's say we wanted to add a hyperlink to some of this text or a specific bullet point. We want to simply hover over the text and go ahead and select the change text icon by clicking on the large T. Here you'll be able to change the text if you would like, but also you'll be able to add a URL or link. So for example, we can just add a link to a specific YouTube video or a specific web page, and then go ahead and click save at the top. After clicking save, you will now see that that text has become a link. So if anyone were to click on it, it's now going to be taking you to that specific URL that you included. If for any reason you need to update or delete that URL, same process applies. You would hover over that text, go ahead and click on the T, and we could now delete this link and click save, and you will see that that hyperlink disappeared. So you can use this to add hyperlinks to any text within your website.